hello, you are joining me, Bev, from Inkwell Arts. It is Pride this week, and we are in partnership and running a bunch of sessions, including this craft session, which is inspired by rainbows. So I thought I'd show you a bit of a science experiment. We're going to make some rainbow paper. The rainbow paper can then be used, I guess, to make cards with or other pictures. So what you're going to need is a bowl with some water in it. It'll need to be cold water. You're going to need some clear nail polish. Please don't use your mum's favourite nail polish. Anything cheap will do for this. You're going to need some black thick paper or card. I have cut some different shapes out here. And also then you're going to need something to just put your paper on just to dry it. So I've just got an old cloth here. But I guess just a sheet of paper to sit them on top of would do as well. Just watch out that they don't get stuck to the sheet of paper because these are going to get wet. Okay, so we have a bowl of cold water. I've got my pieces of paper. So we have to work fast with this, really. What we do is we drop, literally a drop of nail polish in the water, and then you dip your paper in, and it will collect all that nail polish on top of it. You might see a little bit of a gloop on there. That's okay. And then what happens basically is that the nail polish dries. I don't know if you can see that skin there. So if you try and get that out, and make sure your water's all nice and clear, and then you can bob another drop in and go ahead and dip another piece of paper in. And then it's just about keeping on going. You're going to get different effects. Sometimes it's a matter of doing it again. But the fun about this is that it's so unpredictable. And if you wanted to jazz it up a bit more, I have mixed up some glitters here, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of those in on the top. And then again, I'm going to add some nail polish and just dip my paper in. So if you're anything like me, that was really fun. I love messing around and just playing with things and not knowing what to expect. I left my bits of paper to dry, and then I made some cute little greetings cards. So I had some shapes that I could cut up, ones that were already cut up into shape, and then I've just arranged them on the cards. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this craft session, and that you join me again soon. Alright guys, take care.